Good morning children, welcome once again. Today we are going to start our topic letter writing. So nowadays mobile phones, we use mobile phones for written messages, but still letters have their own importance, and we can say that this is one of the most important topic in English writing section, and everybody must know how to write a letter. So let's come to our topic. Letters are the best mean to communicate most intimate thoughts and feelings. ठीक है, तो लेटर्स हैं वो बेस्ट मीन है कम्युनिकेशन के, जब हम अपनी इंटीमेट थॉट्स और फीलिंग्स शेयर करना चाहते हैं. सो देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ मेनली देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ लेटर, फॉर्मल लेटर्स and informal letters. So formal letters, in informal letters we include applications, letter to editor, or when we write letters to authorities, okay, and business letters. So all these we include in formal letters, and applications we have already done. Okay, so today our topic is informal letters. So informal letters we write to our relatives and friends. For writing informal letters, we have to keep some points in our mind. So first one is use an informal tone. एक informal tone आपको use करनी है, means informal letters में आपको कोई formal tone use करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Means you are writing to your friends, relatives, so you can use informal tone. Means informal like you can use friendly tone. Okay. यूज़ नेचुरल स्टाइल ऑफ राइटिंग. एक नेचुरल स्टाइल, जिस टाइप से आप बातें करते हैं अपने रिलेटिव्स के साथ, फ्रेंड्स के साथ, तो वो स्टाइल आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं. योर लैंग्वेज शुड बी सिंपल, ईजी एंड क्लियर. आपकी जो लैंग्वेज है वो सिंपल होनी चाहिए, ईजी होनी चाहिए. मीन्स ये दूसरे के रिसीवर के लिए एक समझने वाला होना चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं कि आप कुछ कॉम्प्लिकेटेड मतलब कुछ हैवी वर्ड्स यूज़ कर रहे हैं और आगे वाले को जो मैसेज है वो क्लियर ही नहीं हो रहा है. सो आपका जो मैसेज है वो ईजी होना चाहिए, क्लियर होना चाहिए. फॉलो द करेक्ट फॉर्मेट. इन इनफॉर्मल लेटर्स ऑल्सो you should follow the correct format. So here we will discuss the format of informal letter. So when we start our letter, we should start our letter from left hand side. So some students क्या करते हैं कि here they write sender address, here they are writing date, salutation, means everything you will start from the left hand side. Okay, so first of all we will write sender's address, means who is sending the letter will write his or her address, or it includes like your house number, your flat number, name of your colony, or name of your area. Like this you can write. Okay, and after that we will write date. Okay, and when some students write the date like this, so this is the wrong way to write a date. When you are writing the date, you will follow this method only, like 14 July 2020. So you will write your date like this. This is the wrong way to write a date. Okay, I hope you will follow it. Next is salutation. So in salutation we greet, means this is a kind of greeting. So in informal letters we can use like dear mama, dear papa, or dear brother, dear sister, or you can write name of your friends like dear Anushka, my dear Anushka. So this is kind of informal. Okay, so you can write like this. And after this we will write body of the letter, and it we can divide into three parts, like introduction. You can divide it into three paragraphs. First, you can this introduction includes purpose of the letter. Okay, purpose of the letter, why you are writing the letter, or in informal letters you can ask for their well-being. Okay, so in next paragraph you will write Main content means you will write about your views, your thoughts, or your feelings. Okay, for what you are writing the letter. And after that you will write third paragraph about ending. Ending. And in ending you will summarize the letter, means आप उसको end करेंगे letter को. ठीक है. तो here this body of the letter have three parts: introduction, main content and ending. Okay, so you will divide it into 3 paragraphs accordingly. After that, closing. So now we will close our letter. And in closing we write, in informal letter we can write your affectionately. Okay, your dearly means like this. You can use informal tone, and here like yours. So while writing yours, some students use apostrophe here. So this is wrong. You will not use apostrophe in yours. You will write only like this. Okay, your affectionately. So I hope this is clear to you. Name of the sender, in the last you will write the name of the sender who is sending the letter. So this is the format of informal letter. I hope you understood. Thank you.